Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. iChannel. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it?
Hey, I'm not good today.
I can see.
Eric Chomegawari, PSL. Babeka kanjani game nje midweek.
Yeah.
It is very wrong to babeka midweek. This is a very big game, A category game. Babeka midweek. It's very wrong.
Yeah.
Abantu babuya emsebenzini manje akuphumeke Loftus.
Exactly. Yeah.
And still tomorrow abantu mele baye emsebenzini. So it's very wrong to babeka game Chiefs the Sundowns midweek. Even le yokuqala game, very wrong my FNB because it was also midweek.
Oh yes.
So
Exactly.
nalena is very wrong. It is the ne midweek. Game sibonile. Sibuyile. It was a tough one. But referee moshe game. If we are to be honest, poor officiating. Poor officiating, it cost a team a point. But there is nothing we can do. There is nothing because thinking as a family by Lungi is a referee. So I don't know who referee to be as because we are two people. Injured, two players. Injured. I must have red card laway. And then
For what? For Sundowns or for Chiefs?
They Mama Kipo Kibido. Melato red card, straight red card.
Yeah.
Referee keep a yellow card. And then that thing influence a game.
Yeah.
Now lay Agabatiban lay challenge Ulumdu.
Adams. Yeah.
Adams. Again, it was a very bad challenge. But referee went into that. Yes. So these things, this is a game. So I'm a referee. I'm a man of the match. If you are man of the match, because manje bafika laba simoshele game and nathi my friend see invest ngama emotions wethu kule game. So for umuntu azwenza lento bayenza ama referee because into every day, understand, into every day. So these things yabonisa ukuthi ngeke iphele manje. So one thing Mamelodi Sundowns sidlalile, Kaizer Chiefs sidlalile, but our play after the red card, Ibonisa Sundowns is a very big team. Chiefs average. Maybe was only scoring next season, but the Sundowns that we were not lucky. Number of opportunities actually my game is upela. Like my friend is converted. Oh Peterson. Oh yeah, like if we get yes we are socially league Peterson. Yes, and congratulations to everyone who came to watch the game live here. And Saturday, wonke muntu like asibuye sizobona iSundowns neSweden. It's our last home game here. Okay, ngiyabonga.
Thanks, my brother.